Hi there, Paul here from Charity Hub. And in this video, I want to show you how you can create and manage memberships within Charity Hub. To create a new membership, I firstly navigate to the memberships area and I can click the new button. The first thing I need to do is select a supporter. In this case, let's go with Abby. So I can start typing Abby's name into the supporter box there, and the system will do a search and find any contacts in the system that might match that criteria. Alternatively, if this is a new contact, I could click the new record button here. But let's go with Abby for now. Once I've set a supporter, the system's going to ask me for a few more pieces of information. The first piece of information I need to add is the membership product. So I can go and select from the various membership products that I have in my system, and I then need to choose a pricing plan associated with that product. The pricing plan lets me define things like the price of the membership, the payment frequency, whether it's gifted eligible or not, and also if either an upfront payment or a joining fee is required for this particular membership product. You'll notice once I've selected the product and the pricing plan that the membership duration and the payment frequency have both automatically been filled in for me based on the pricing plan selected. You can also see that the date fields below have also automatically been set by the system. The joining date and start date both default to today, but we can change them if we so wish. Similarly, the end date has been automatically set based on the start date and the duration of the membership. Under the financial details section, you'll also see that some of the information has already been populated by the system, such as the joining fee and the membership amount. Now I could take this opportunity to override the membership amount or the joining fee if I so wish, if we wanted to offer the member custom pricing. What I need to add now is a payment method. Now I can select from payment methods that may already be associated with Abby, so we'll just go with her credit card in this case, but I could also click this button here to create a new payment method if I so wished. What I can also do at this point is add a membership promotion. So here's some promotions I've already got in the system. This promotion is going to offer 10% off the first 3 months. At this point, I've got enough information in the system here to be able to save the record. So let's just do that. Once that record has saved, I can then start to edit other things about the membership. So for example, I might want to add some additional members to this membership. So maybe this is a friends and family membership. I might want to go and add Linda to this membership as well. I can also control how this membership will renew. I either set it to auto-renew or not. If it is going to auto-renew, I can specify how the pricing will be applied to the renewal. I can either get it to renew at the current membership amount, so if we've applied custom pricing to this membership, we will maintain that as we go through the renewal process. I can renew at the price of the membership product at the time of renewal. So if we've made any price changes to the underlying membership product, when this membership renews, those price changes will be reflected and automatically applied to the renewal. Or I can renew at a custom price. So I could explicitly type in a new renewal price for that membership here. If this membership is eligible for gift aid, I can click the Create Gift Aid Declaration button at the top here and allow Abby to record her gift aid declaration here. Also, if I want to split the income from the membership into specific funds, I can click the Allocation Plans button and apportion this income as needed. So we'll add 50% into this fund, and then we can add another 50% into the other fund. Finally, if I want to associate anyone with a soft credit for this membership, I can click into soft credits and add a new contact on there who I'm going to soft credit with this membership. Once I've configured the properties of this membership and I'm happy with how this looks, I can click Activate at the top here, and this will actually start the membership. The system shows me an overview of the key membership details, and it also shows me the payment schedule for each of the payments that are going to be created as part of this membership. As you can see, the first 3 payments have automatically been discounted to £9 based on the 3-month promotion we applied earlier. Now, all I have to do is click Confirm, and the system will activate that membership and create the expected payments. Thanks for watching, and I hope that's given you a good overview of how easy it is to manage your memberships in Charity Hub. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.